Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be installing mini braids on my natural hair, and I'm pretty sure y'all think I'm like crazy, but let's just say the quarantine made me do it. But the truth is I was really tired of my hair and I just wanted to put it in a protective style that could last for at least 2 weeks. So I washed my hair and conditioned it overnight, but it still wasn't dry. Hashtag low porosity struggle. But I'm pretty much going to detangle each section and just put it into twists, and then I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4. After detangling my hair, I put it into 4 sections just to make things easier for me, and now I'm going to begin doing the mini braids. I'll be using some shine and jam on my roots just to make sure that it's as neat as possible. Now you guys, you don't want to make these braids like too tiny. I tried my best not to make mine like too tiny but not too big at the same time, because I know the takedown is going to be war. Like honestly, I'm pretty sure it's going to take me like 2 or 3 days, but I'm prepared. I think it's worth it considering the fact that my hands will be out of my hair for another like 2 to 3 weeks. So when I get to the very end of the braid, I'm going to take this curl souffle and I'm just going to detangle my ends as well, and then I'm going to twirl it. So this is what I'm going to continue doing throughout my head. And as you guys can also see, I have a mirror at the back because I also have one in front, and what this is doing is allowing me see the back of my head clearly. My mirror is kind of small. If you have a bigger mirror, that would definitely work better, but it's helping me see the back of my head so that I can make parts that are as straight as possible. Off camera and finished a huge portion of my hair, and doing this took me like a little over 3 hours. I was really frustrated at this point, but I just had to keep going because I had gone too far to go back. So I'm pretty much going to be parting my hair a little bit smaller in the front just so that the hair falls like a lot fuller in the front and it just doesn't look like kind of weird. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but yeah, this is pretty much all I'm going to be doing, and I'm trying to make the braids not too small because I don't want to cry when I'm taking it down. I'm pretty sure I'm still going to cry when I'm taking it down, but at least the tears will not be as much. This is like all the hair I have left to do, and you guys can't even imagine the happiness in my soul, in my spirit while I was doing this. Like I was so excited because I literally woke up, sat on this chair, and that was all I did that day, like do these mini braids on my hair. Like I started at 11 a.m. and I didn't finish until about 6. Like that's just ridiculous. I spent like 7 hours doing my hair. Like oh my god, you guys. And I don't even have, please don't ask me how many braids I have because I don't even have the energy to go and count. Like I used all of my energy to do these braids and that's all the energy I have, okay? But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it. I went ahead and just did the very last one, and you guys can see the smile on my face. Like I was so happy. Like in my mind, I kind of never thought it was going to end. You know when you feel something is never going to come to an end, like long suffering. I just thought it was going to keep on going. But I finally got to the very last braid, and the style is super duper cute, you guys. Like just look at the parts. Like I feel like I did a great job with the parts. Like I tried my best not to make them like too straight, but I did want them to have some type of order to them, and I wanted them to look like really neat. I I went ahead and I did my baby hairs, and this is pretty much the finished look. And I love the style so much because it's super versatile and my hair is like protected. All I have to do is moisturize it like every other day. If you guys would like to see how I maintain this style and how I keep my hair moisturized, let me know down in the comments below. And if you'd also like to see some of the styles that I'll be doing while I have this on, let me know as well and I'll make that video for you guys. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think about the style in the comments down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.